In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to bank account. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on cash. So once you click on this, you will see your currency balance, and my account is in euros. So it will be a euro balance for me. But if you have a different currency, just go ahead and click on that. And once you do that, you will see this option to withdraw at the bottom right. So we're going to click on this. And once you click on that, you will see this screen in here. And now you can enter the amount of cash that you want to withdraw. So fill in an amount, and after you can also click on transfer to. So I'm going to click on this. And then in here, you can choose the option to withdraw. So you can just go ahead and select your bank account that is already linked to your account, but it can also be the case that you do not have an account linked yet. And then you just need to go ahead and click on add a payment method. And once you click on this, you are able to add a new payment method, and you can add a credit or debit card, your PayPal, or a Euro bank account. So just go ahead and fill in your preferred method. I already have my bank account linked, so I'm going with that option. So I'm going to withdraw 2 euros, and after I'm going to click on preview. And here I will see the details of this withdrawal. So go ahead and check everything if everything is all right. You will also see when the funds will arrive, what the fee will be, and that is free as you can see. And if you want to finalize this, go ahead and click on withdraw cash now all the way at the bottom. And that is basically how you withdraw money from Coinbase to your bank account. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.